Happy Monday, everyone, and welcome to week 9. We're starting module 4 today, which is our argumentative essay. I've posted our learning objectives here so you can see what you're going to learn during this module. And here in week 9 media, I've posted some videos from our librarian, Anna, which I think are really great and can help you get started on researching your essay. I also want you to know that you can chat the librarian anytime to talk about researching. I actually chat with Anna and sometimes schedule meetings with her when I'm researching. She just helped me find articles on a research project I'm working on that I wasn't able to find on my own, and I'm a very experienced researcher. So I really encourage you to take advantage of our amazing librarians who are free to you while you're a student. I also posted the large group workshop assignment for argument, so you can get a chance to see what another student did for their project and to think about what they're doing well and what they could do to improve, and hopefully envision yourself in that process as well as a writer. I have also posted the research essay assignment so you can see what you'll be working on for this last essay, and you're free to start kind of envisioning what you might want to work on so that you can be thinking about that as you go through the process of this module. I'm actually in my office hours right now, and I'll be there till 10 if anyone wants to chat. I have seen your rhetorical analysis essays in my inbox, and I'm going to really look forward to reading those and responding this week. I hope you're all well.